Hey, welcome to Fletch Maintenance. We're here to review this 14-in-1 doyle precision screwdriver and nut driver 70707. I'm definitely a big Klein fan and all that, but I don't have the 14-in-1 and the Klein just because I have this. What is this, like a 4-in-1? Yeah, I got the 4-in-1 Klein, and this is the one I go to all the time. It's definitely more than I really need, but I'd seen this. They have at Harbor Freight, they got the inside track special right now, so I got this for $7. I figured it'd be worth me getting it for $7. I have so many precision screwdrivers and stuff. I really didn't need it, but I have this one. This with the case, and it has all the little bits and whatnots in there. So, but yeah, I figured I'd give this a try. I'm gonna open it up and see what the fit and finish and all that. I hear it's a great little screwdriver. We'll see. But yeah, for almost $8, I'm willing to give it a try. Oh, that's nice. They're marked on 964's nut driver. Two nice 964 nut drivers. It's pretty neat. Honestly, I don't think they have that on the Klein one. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It has a 000 T15, 964, 530 seconds, 330 seconds, 1/8, 3/16, 730 second, T7, T8, T10, a quarter, and 5/16. Pretty nice. I say the fit and finish is just the same quality. It'd be more or less quality right here. Of course, it's not going to have the release. Actually, I'm wondering, I'd like to get the Klein just to see. To see if it's got the push button or not. Pretty nice. So far, so good.